Definition of plan. A plan is a typical and procedure, typically any procedure used to achieve an objective. बेसिकली कोई भी ऐसा प्रोसीजर जो हम सेट करते हैं, उसको उस पे काम करते हैं किसी भी अपने ऑब्जेक्टिव या अपने गोल को अचीव करने के लिए, उसको हम प्लान कहते हैं. इट इज़ अ सेट ऑफ इंटेंडेड एक्शंस through which one aspects to achieve a goal. As I already explained, that a set of actions which you typically use to procedure to achieve your aspect, to achieve a goal or your any objective. You have to set a plan, you have to set the actions, and then to have to work on it, then your aspects to have to achieve a goal. Expectations. When you have to when you have expectations to achieve a goal, then you have to intended actions. What is planning? Is the process of thinking about and organizing the activities or desired goal, that is called the planning. It involves the creation and maintenance of a plan, slow economic growth, public sector planning in Pakistan. In Pakistan, all the public sector planning commission of Pakistan and its supporting bodies, from this point forward, all the texts will deal with planning commission, its machinery and its methods in the country. All the public sector planning commission of Pakistan and its supporting bodies, from this point to forward, all the texts will deal with planning commission, its machinery and its planning methods in the country. History of Planning Commission of Pakistan. Soon after independence in 1947, the government of Pakistan decided to adopt planning methodology for rapid development of the country resources, leading to the economic and social well-being of the people. Immediate steps were therefore taken to establish necessary machinery for the preparation and implementation of plans. Development Board. What is Development Board? A Development Board was established early in 1948 in Economic Affairs Division to deal with question of rapid economic development of the country. Work of Planning Board. We have to see that how the Planning Board works. The government of Pakistan set up a planning board on 18 July 1953 to prepare a more comprehensive national plan of development. This is basically for the development. Pakistan Board Planning Board set up or board on 18 July 1953 prepare a more comprehensive national plan of development for the economic development of the Pakistan, with Mr. Zahid Hussain, ex-governor of State Bank of Pakistan, as its first chairman and two other members. Actually, Government of Pakistan make a committee for the planning board where the Mr. uh, Zahid Hussain as its first chairman. This committee belongs to the one chairman and two other members of the board. Permanent National Planning Board or Planning Commission. A permanent National Planning Board was established in April 1957. The board consisted of a chairman, which is Mr. Zahid Hussain, ex-governor of State Bank of Pakistan, and two other members. One of whom was designated as deputy chairman. The Prime Minister assumes the office of chairman. The board was required to promote research, statistics surveys, investigation, and evaluations, as well as to advise the government about policy and problems in various fields of national development. बेसिकली गवर्नमेंट जो है उसने एक प्लानिंग बोर्ड जो है उसकी तश्कील दी, परमानेंट प्लानिंग बोर्ड, जिसकी एक कमेटी तश्कील दी गई, जिसका एक चेयरमैन और दो मेंबर्स होते थे चेयरमैन के साथ। चेयरमैन जो है, जो सबसे पहला इस कमेटी का चेयरमैन था, वो थे मिस्टर जाहिद हुसैन, एक्स चेयरमैन ऑफ स्टेट बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान। और अब वो बोर्ड जो है उसका मेन वर्क क्या था? वो रिक्वायर टू प्रमोट रिसर्च करना, स्टैटिस्टिकल सर्वेज करना, इन्वेस्टिगेशन और एवेल्यूएशन। इसके साथ साथ जो है गवर्नमेंट को एडवाइस करना पॉलिसीज़ के बारे में, या प्रॉब्लम्स जो थी वेरियस डिपार्टमेंट्स ऑफ नेशनल डेवलपमेंट जो हैं उनमें जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स आती थी उसके बारे में गवर्नमेंट को आगाह करते थे। ये ऑल टू ऑल एक्टिविटीज़ थी परमानेंट प्लानिंग बोर्ड ऑफ पाकिस्तान की। और इसमें जो मेन चीज़ थी वो रिसर्च। दे हैव टू इन्वेस्टिगेट और एवेल्यूएट द थिंग्स एंड inform the government about it. Major function of the planning commission: preparation of national plans for the economic and social development of the country, preparation of national plans for the economic and social development of the country. The second one is ADP, Annual Development Program. Formulation of an annual development program within the framework of national, medium term and annual plans. अब एक ADP बनाया गया, फ्रेमवर्क उसका क्या था कि वो मीडियम टर्म और एनुअल टर्म जो प्लान्स थे उनकी फॉर्मुलेशन करते थे। रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट्स इन द नेशनल प्लान्स, नेशनल प्लान्स बनते, उनमें जो एडजस्टमेंट्स थी उनके लिए ये रिकमेंडेशंस जो हैं वो प्रोवाइड करते। इवेल्युएशन ऑफ ऑनगोइंग एंड कंप्लीटेड प्रोजेक्ट्स, और जो भी प्रोजेक्ट्स चल रहे होते या कंप्लीट हो चुके होते हैं उनको इवेल्युएट करना भी जो है वो कमेटी का काम था। इवेल्युएशन ऑफ जनरल सोशो इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ पॉलिसी, इवेल्युएशन करना जनरली जो सोशो इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन थी और जो पॉलिसीज थी उनकी कोऑर्डिनेशन जो है वो भी कमेटी की जिम्मेदारी थी। मॉनिटरिंग एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ द प्लान्स एंड द मेजर डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट एंड प्रोग्राम्स, जो भी प्रोजेक्ट प्लान्स थे उनको मॉनिटर करना या फिर उनको लागू करवाना जो है मेजर डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड प्रोग्राम्स को, ये भी कमेटी की ड्यूटीज़ में शामिल था। टाइप्स ऑफ प्लान्स, देयर इज़ अ 4 टाइप्स ऑफ प्लान्स। फर्स्ट वन इज prospective plan years, it's for 10 to 25 years. Medium term plans years, it's from 4 years to 7 years. Ruling plan years, it's for 3 years, its duration is 3 years. Annual plans, annual plans duration is for 1 years. These are the types of 4 plans: prospective plans, medium plans, prospective plan years, medium plan years, ruling plan years, and the annual plans. Brief introduction of 5-year planning in Pakistan. First 5-year plans is from 1955 to 1960. Second